start your interaction.
Okay, I am Dipendu Ganguly.
তো এই মাঝখানেটা একটু সরিয়ে দেওয়া যাবে কি, যে লেখাটা এসে গেল। His meeting is being recorded.
Please mute yourself. सब अपने आप को mute कर लीजिए.
Can you hear me and see me?
Very clear, yes.
Okay,
Go on.
I'm Wing Commander Dipendu Ganguly. I am a retired Air Force officer. I took voluntary retirement in 1997.
Just from here, see.
After that, since I was very much interested in these subjects like Vastu, color therapy and all that, so I studied, I did full-time courses, and from last almost 18-20 years, I have been practicing Vastu for last almost 18 years. I've done Vastu many places in India. I've done the entire Vastu for the Z News, including
Wow, glad to have you amongst us. Thank you so much. Yeah.
including the owner of the Z News, Mr. Subhash Chandra, who is also a member of Parliament, and that is Bungalows Vastu also. I've got some appreciation certificates.
Is this voice lagging, or is it my problem?
No, there is, his bandwidth network is poor.
Hello, can you hear me now?
No, we have a lot of disruptions.
Now the place I'm sitting is absolutely calm. There is no disturbance here.
Okay,
Hello?
carry on, Mr. Ganguly. Yes.
I have got some appreciation certificates from Z News also
Okay.
for doing their Vastu correction and activities and all that there. Then I also do color therapy, and these subjects are a big passion for me. That's how I'm continuing with all these subjects, and I'm practicing this for last almost 18 to 20 years.
Oh, wow. Superb. So we will gain from your knowledge and we'll share it. Maybe in coming weeks, we will learn more from you. Today, we start with, you also sing, I believe. आप गाना भी
Yes.
गाते हो. So आपसे शुरुआत करते हैं.
हम थोड़ा बहुत गा लेते हैं.
हाँ, हमारे ग्रुप में सब थोड़ा बहुत ही गाते हैं और सब अच्छे बड़े बड़े सिंगर बन गए. तनुजा जी, ज्योत्सना जी. Very soon they will have their senior Indian Idol. Okay? तो हम उनपे उनका नाम भेजने वाले हैं. So दीपेंद्र जी, आप स्टार्ट करिए भजन से.
Okay, I'm singing a bhajan. दर्शन दो घन श्याम नाथ मोरी अखिया प्यासी रे. दर्शन दो घन श्याम नाथ मोरी अखिया प्यासी रे. दर्शन दो घन श्याम. मन मंदिर की ज्योत जगा दो. मन मंदिर की ज्योत जगा दो. घट घट बासी रे. दर्शन दो घन श्याम नाथ मोरी अखिया प्यासी रे. दर्शन दो घन श्याम. मंदिर मंदिर मूरत तेरी फिर भी न देखे सूरत तेरी. मंदिर मंदिर मूरत तेरी फिर भी न देखे सूरत तेरी. युग बीते ना आए मिलन की पूर्णमासी रे. दर्शन दो घन श्याम नाथ मोरी अखिया प्यासी रे. दर्शन दो घन श्याम. द्वार दया का जब तू खोले पंचम सुर में गूंगा बोले, द्वार दया का जब तू खोले पंचम सुर में गूंगा बोले, अंधा देखे लंगड़ा चल कर पहुँचे काशी रे, दर्शन दो घन श्याम नाथ मोरी अखिया प्यासी रे, दर्शन दो घन श्याम। पान के प्यास मैं कैसे बुझाऊं, नैनन को कैसे समझाऊं, आंखों में चोली छोड़ो अब ये मन की बासी रे, दर्शन दो घन श्याम नाथ मोरी अखिया प्यासी रे, दर्शन दो घन श्याम।
Awesome, lovely,
Excellent.
lovely. Yes. Lovely bhajan. Never heard of it before.
Oh, this is
Thank you.
very, very common. Yes, beautiful without music. Sagarika, we have to pin him when he says that.
Yeah, he's already pinned. He's already there.
Ah, I can't see.
He's
him.
on spotlight. Much more
Okay.
than pinned.
So
He's on
next
spotlight.
what we are going to do is will Jyotsna ji, आपकी तरफ हम चलते हैं, ठीक है? Where is Jyotsna ji?
Yeah, spotlighted.
Yes,
She's
I'm
right
spotlighted.
there. कैमरा पे आ जाइए ज्योत्सना जी।
ज्योत्सना जी, आज आप क्या गाने वाली है हमारे लिए?
गुड इवनिंग।
हाँ जी,
गुड इवनिंग।
गुड
आवाज आ
इवनिंग।
रही है?
यस, आ रही है।
अच्छा, तो
हाँ, एकदम अच्छा है।
या थोड़ा ब्रेक हो रहा है।
क्यों? 1 सेकेंड। आवाज आ रही है?
आ रही है, हाँ।
मेरी तरफ से सबको नमस्ते।
नमस्ते। नमस्ते।
और यहाँ से तो सब बड़ा तो सिंगर है। मेरे को जब गाने को तो मौका मिला तो इसलिए मेरे को थोड़ी माफ कर देंगे जब भी कोई गलती होगा।
डोंट वरी, डोंट वरी, डोंट वरी।
गलती नहीं होगा और आप माफ नहीं करेंगे।
नहीं, लेकिन हम कोशिश करूंगी अच्छा गाने के लिए, ठीक है?
हाँ जी।
ठीक है, ठीक। पहला गाना है आँखियों के झरकों से, फिल्म है आँखियों के झरकों।
ठीक है, शुरू
हाँ,
कीजिए।
सिंगर है हेमलता। अखियों की झलकों से मैंने देखा जो सावरे, अखियों की झलकों से मैंने देखा जो सावरे, तुम दूर नजर आए, बड़ी दूर नजर आए, बंद करके जरा बैठी हूँ सोचने, बंद कर बैठी जो सोचने, मन में तुम्हें मुस्काए, मन में तुम्हें मुस्काए, अखियों की झरोखों से। एक मन था मेरे पास, अब खोने लगा है, पागल तुझे, हाय मुझे कुछ होने लगा है। एक मन था मेरे पास, अब खोने लगा है, पागल तुझे, हाय मुझे कुछ होने लगा है। एक तेरी भरोसे पे सब बैठी हूँ भूल के, एक तेरे भरोसे पे सब बैठी हूँ भूल के। यूं ही उम्र गुजर जाए, तेरे साथ गुजर जाए, अखियों के झरोखों से। जीती हूँ तुम्हें देख के, मरती हूँ तुम्हीं पे, तुम हो जहाँ साजन मेरी दुनिया है वहीं पे। जीती हूँ तुम्हें देख के, मरती हूँ तुम्हीं पे, तुम हो जहाँ साजन मेरी दुनिया है वहीं पे। दिन रात दुआ मांगे मेरा मन तेरे वास्ते, दिन रात दुआ मांगे मेरा मन तेरे वास्ते। कहीं अपनी उम्मीदों का कोई फूल न मुरझाए, अखियों के झरोखों से। मैं जब से तेरे प्यार के रंगों में रंगी हूँ, जगते हुए सोई रही नींदों में जागी हूँ। मैं जब से तेरे प्यार के रंगों में रंगी हूँ, जगते हुए सोई रही नींदों में जागी हूँ। मेरे प्यार भरे सपने कहीं कोई ना छीन ले, मेरे प्यार भरे सपने कहीं कोई ना छीन ले। मन सोच के घबराए, यही सोच सोच के घबराए अखियों के झरोखों से मैंने देखा जो सावरे तुम दूर नजर आए बड़ दूर नजर आए बंद करके झरोखों को जरा बैठी जो सोचने मन में तुम्हें मुस्काए मन में तुम्हें मुस्काए Thank you.
Very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice,
very nice.
very nice, very nice. Very well sung.
Very well.
Congratulations.
Very well sung. Welcome Brijeshwar Das ji. He is also new. दिलीप जी
Welcome,
होगी,
welcome.
आप जानते हैं ब्रिजेश्वर दास जी को? Okay, we'll continue.
Vishweshwar. Isn't
Vishweshwar.
it Madhu? Yes.
विश्वेश्वर, yeah. I think first time मैं देख रही हूँ. विश्वेश्वर,
No, he
he's
was
come
there.
before? अच्छा.
Yes,
नहीं
yes.
नहीं वही है हमारा रिलेशन है रिलेशन
Ah,
गाना
okay.
सुनने के लिए आए थे
Oh, please.
Wants to hear your song, isn't it? Okay, thank you. Welcome, welcome.
Again, very good. Nice to see you, Manju ji.
ज्योत्सना जी,
हाँ
कंटिन्यू. आप अगला क्या सुना रही है?
हाँ, ठीक है ठीक है
बहुत सुंदर था, बहुत सुंदर. इस बार आवाज भी क्लियर आ रही थी.
Yes. Managed the high pitch so well.
और मुझे हेमलता ऐसे आंख बंद करके ऐसे हेमलता का आवाज आ रहा था. अरे वाह, क्या गाना है.
गांगुली जी म्यूट कीजिए, गांगुली जी म्यूट कीजिए.
मुझ परछाइयाँ हर तरफ बजने लगी, सैकड़ों सहनाइयाँ, दो जहाँ की आज खुशियाँ हो गई मसिल मुझे आपकी नजरों ने समझा, प्यार की काबिल मुझे दिल की धड़कन ठहर जा, मिल गई मंजिल मुझे आपकी नजरों ने समझा। थैंक यू।
बहुत सुंदर, बहुत सुंदर,
बहुत सुंदर,
बहुत सुंदर।
सुपर,
मेरा फेवरेट गाना,
बहुत
खूब
सुंदर।
भालो, खूब भालो, खूब भालो.
मेरा फेवरेट गाना।
ये कौन से
खूब भालो.
मूवी का है और किस पे पिक्चराइज किया है?
I can tell, I can tell, I can tell.
Not you, not you, not you. Somebody.
Okay.
धर्मेंद्र के
अपराध अपराध।
हाँ, मैं
Modwani, you are out of this quiz.
Yeah, you are
Okay.
out of the quiz.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay, धीरू बहन बताइए।
Modwani ji is an expert in music.
No.
नहीं, धर्मेंद्र और कौन है? मीना कुमारी तो नहीं है, माला सिन्हा और धर्मेंद्र।
हाँ, सही। Very good.
Very good, very good, very good, very good.
एक बॉलीवुड क्विज करना पड़ेगा लग रहा है। ओके,
और सच में एक वैसा रखेंगे।
हाँ रखेंगे, हम वापस करेंगे, बहुत दिनों से नहीं किया था। हाँ जी, ज्योत्सना जी अब क्या गा रही हैं? और आप अभी आप ब्रेक लेना चाहती हैं? हम गांगुली जी को बोल सकते हैं या आप कंटिन्यू करेंगे अभी?
प्लीज थोड़ा थोड़ा।
हाँ जी।
Got the hard copy.
डिसीजन लाके कैसे भरना पड़ेगा पता नहीं।
Jyotsna ji mute.
हेलो, ये गांगुली जी के बोलिए, वो बोलेंगे, वो थोड़ा रेस्ट दीजिए इनके, उसके बाद गजल वो गाएगी, अच्छा होगा। गांगुली जी
Rest, I think, Madhumita.
हाँ जी।
I think she's asked for rest. You continue with.
No, she
yeah,
said
yes,
she wants
she will
to
set,
continue.
she will set.
अच्छा, ओके, आई डिडंट अंडरस्टैंड, आई थॉट। ज्योत्सना जी हम आगे बढ़े, आप बाद में गाएंगी कि अभी कंटिन्यू करें?
हाँ ठीक है ठीक है।
ठीक, मतलब हम गांगुली जी को बोले या आप गाने वाली है?
ठीक है, मैं
No.
गाऊं।
हाँ मैं गाऊंगी, मुझे पता है।
Actually, I have to do.
So she is going to continue. Yeah, let's have her.
She's got a good stamina that she can continue 3 songs at a time.
एक गजल गाऊंगी। फरीदा कानून का।
Okay. Wow.
जाने की ना करो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, यूं ही पहलू में बैठे रहो, यूं ही पहलू में बैठे रहो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, हाय मर जाएंगे हम जाएंगे, ऐसी बातें किया ना करो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, हाय मर जाएंगे हम तो लुट जाएंगे, ऐसी बातें किया ना करो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो। तुम ही सोचो जरा, क्यों न रोको तुम्हें, जाने जाती है जब उठ के जाती हो तुम, जाने जाती है जब उठ के जाती हो तुम, तुमको अपनी कसम जाने जा, बात इतनी मेरी मान लो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, यूं ही पहलू में बैठे रहो, यूं ही पहलू बैठे रहो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, हाय मर जाएंगे हम तो लुट जाएंगे, ऐसी बातें किया ना करो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो। वक्त की कैद में जिंदगी है मगर, वक्त की कैद में जिंदगी है मगर, चंद घड़ियां यही है जो आजाद है, चंद घड़ियां यही है जो आजाद है, इनको खोकर कहूँ जाने जा, उम्र भर ना तरसते रहो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, हाय मर जाएंगे हम तो लुट जाएंगे, ऐसी बातें किया ना करो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो। कितना मासूम रंगीन है ये समा, हुस्न और इश्क की आज में राज है, हुस्न और इश्क की आज में राज है। कहीं किसी को खबर जाने जा, रोक लो आज की रात को, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, यूं ही पहलू में बैठे रहो, यूं ही पहलू में बैठे रहो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो। हाय मर जाएंगे हम तो लुट जाएंगे, ऐसी बातें किया ना करो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो। थैंक यू।
ओके ज्योत्सना जी, अब आपको हम थोड़ा रेस्ट देते हैं। अब हम गांगुली जी की तरफ बढ़ते हैं।
और नहीं गा सकते?
नहीं, आप अभी उनको बोलने का टाइम नहीं मिलेगा। फिर आप अभी अपने गले को भी थोड़ा सा रेस्ट दे दीजिए। आपके पास हम वापस आएंगे। आपने बहुत हाई पिच पे बहुत सारे सुंदर गाने हमें सुनाए हैं। हम गांगुली जी के पास चलते हैं, उनका वास्तु का, बिकॉज अभी 7:40 हो रहा है, तो हम उन्हें बुलाते हैं। ठीक है, थैंक यू सो मच, ब्यूटीफुल सिंगिंग एंड सारे टाइप के जॉनर आपने गाए। गांगुली जी, वेलकम बैक।
Okay.
Yes, please, we are eager to hear from you about Vastu and what tips you are going to give us.
Okay, today I shall give an introductory talk on Vastu, so that those who are not aware of the Vastu of this subject, at least they will know, and certain tips also which will help everybody. There are many things which people might know, but the intricacies of it are required to be known. Now, Vastu, to begin with, is a Sanskrit word. It's a Sanskrit term. Vas means it's where the place of residence, or the place where the building has to be put in there, where one stays or resides. It is a science, basically. It's a science related to a building, its direction, its energy, how it should be, and how the layout should be, in which direction what should be kept. This is all comprising of Vastu. Now, Vastu has got two major factors. One is the directional factor, other one is the energy factor. So it is not enough if your house is there, let's say your house, if you have to check the directions, which directions your bedroom, your kitchen, your washrooms, which should be there. That is one part of it. The second part is the energy. The Brahmasthana of the house must have a proper high positive energy. Now, these energy checking, I have got a gadget by which I check the energy. There are houses which shows very positive energy, that is the Brahmasthana, and there are houses which shows a negative energy. There are houses which shows spirit energy. Believe me, there are spirit energy, and there are also houses which has evil spirit, which creates a lot of problem in the house with the residents of the house. By now, I have seen hundreds of houses, and I have come across a few houses with spirit energy. And everything can be rectified. There is nothing that everything has got a solution. It can be rectified. And the rectification I do by use installation of yantras. Now, one should know Vastu has got 10 cardinal directions. What are the directions? It begins with east, then southeast, and south, southwest, west, northwest, northeast. These are the 8, and the Akasha and the Patala, which is the below, the earth and below is the 10th direction. But for the purpose of doing a applied Vastu, we normally work with 8 principal directions. Now, what is the importance of direction? Let me explain you. Now, east is a direction from where the energy comes. We all know sun rises in the east, but as per Vastu, as per science, in fact, let me also say as per science, the sun actually rises first in our earth is tilted by 23.5 degree towards the northeast, towards the right northeast. Now, since the earth is tilted by 23.5 degree, the sun rays first falls on the northeast. As the rotation and the revolution takes place, it finally shifts to east and then southeast and west and south and southwest and west and like that. Now, which is the actually Pavitra Sthan of the house, or which is the most sacred and the important location of the residence of or a flat or a building, or I mean anyone. It can be a commercial, it can be a residence. It is the Brahmastan, which is first and foremost very, very important. You know what is a Brahmastan? Brahmastan is the center of the plot, or the center of your house, center of your flat, whatever it is. Earlier, what used to be traditional Vastu has got rectification, like by making addition, alterations of the house or the factories or whatever it is, because those days it was possible. Slowly, with the development, advancements and all that thing, now there are multi-story building. I cannot tell anybody to make addition, alteration or reconstruction, because any house for that matter is already built. So there is another Vastu, that is the higher level of Vastu, that is called Para Vastu. I am qualified in both traditional Indian Vastu as well as Para Vastu. In the Para Vastu, what is happening? Here we actually do energy management of the entire house or the residence or the factory, whatever it is. Now, suppose your kitchen, which is supposed to be as per Vastu in the Agni Kond, that is the southeast. Southeast is called Agni Kond. Now, suppose your kitchen is not in the southeast. As per the Vastu, the next alternate direction is northwest. Suppose it is not there also. Suppose your kitchen is in the east, your kitchen is in the north, or your kitchen is in the west or south. Then what happens? There is a lot of health related issues that keep taking place. Now, there are houses, you must have seen, regular, there are, people are falling sick around the year, and they keep running to doctors, they keep spending a lot of medicines. Whatever may be whatever they may be doing, whatever amount of medicines they take, but the problem will keep persisting, the problem will continue as long as the locations are not rectified, as per the Vastu management is not rectified. You will be surprised to know the southwest corner is another a very, very important corner, and similarly the west. Southeast is Agni Kond, it is the zone of fire. Now, in the zone of fire, naturally, you have to have your kitchen there. And even in the kitchen, there are certain, elementary things where your actually chula should be, where your burner should be, which way you should be facing when you are doing the cooking, where your water point should be, where your wash basins should be. You must have also heard that there are some houses I have come across actually, or you must have also heard, that there are premature deaths. One by one keep falling sick, and by age of 60, 65, 70, people keep dying. And there was, of late, I have done one Vastu thing in Calcutta, where now the only lady of the house, rest of the family members, 7 of them, they have passed away prematurely. Now only the last daughter who has grown up, she is only remaining in the house. Now, after a long pause and a long thinking and all that, they consulted what is happening. Somebody said ki yahan pe bhoot hai, somebody said all that thing. Now, when somebody, someone, directed and give a reference, you can, talk to this gentleman. So she got connected with me. I'm giving an example. She got connected with me, and then when I came to everything, I told the layout of the house. Let me study. So with the layout of the house, I told her that these are the problems, and you will have to keep facing the problems until you don't rectify or you shift from that and stay another place.
Is it me or you all can't
It's a
hear?
network issue. He's not there. He's logged out. I think there was a problem.
Ah,
It's a network issue. He logged in once again. His voice was which was cracking. It was cracking badly.
towards the end it was
Yeah,
cracking.
it was cracking badly. Yeah.
Shapnak aunty, आप सुन पा रहे थे?
No.
Okay.
At an airport.
We are waiting for him to join.
We'll wait for a minute or two.
Yeah. Yeah, Sagarika.
Lipika is in. Lipika
Pradosh. I think she also is Josna ji's friend.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Welcome to the group.
Thank you.
Yes, now it's come. She has come.
Yeah, I think we can ask Josna ji to sing in the meantime.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Josna ji, you can start another song if you have. मीनाक्षी त्रिपाठी जी,
ऐसे
आज बहुत सारे न्यू लोग मुझे दिख रहे हैं और बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
विनिंग सॉन्ग लगाओ. विनिंग सॉन्ग लगाओ.
अच्छा, दिव्येंदु गांगुली जी, आपका वॉइस बहुत कट रहा है.
It got disconnected, I know. It's getting. Can you hear me now?
We have around 10 minutes. We have around 7 minutes. So you can continue and then we will take it up again some other week.
Okay. You see, I was talking, if the residence has a very nice, high vibrant vastu, it does a very good thing with the inmates of the houses. You see, the aura of every individual is also related with the vibration of the house. Can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, we all can.
See the aura. Yeah, I hope you understand what is aura. So aura of every individual, it gets mixed up with the vibration of the house. So if the house energy is okay and is a lot of positive energy, then the health also remains absolutely fine. But if the house energy is, which is called doshi energy, then it gets mixed with the individual's aura, and then the health issues, a lot of things keep happening. Anyway, I will end it today because it's a very long subject. I can only, tell in tidbits. And next time, whenever I get an opportunity, I will talk of another issue of Vastu in detail.
No, so Madhu, you are on mute. We
Yeah.
can't-
So I think आप सब एक एक questions इनके लिए रख सकते हैं. So हम questions के through ये वास्तु, हाँ. So that will
You
be
can
better.
ask questions.
You can ask questions and then he can answer. So that way we can take this forward. सबका क्या
Correct.
करना है, किसी का कोई questions हो तो he can answer. So we have a वास्तु expert. So आप सोच के रखिए अगले week या next week के बाद वाले.
Okay,
हम
okay. Madhu, may I ask something?
Ask please. Even I want to ask.
Yes. So, Mr. Ganguly, what do you suggest? We should know about this Vastu Shastra, at least the basic, before we get into any property dealings? Or
See, when you get into a property dealing, when you get into a house or a property dealing, I do not know how much you will understand, but it is better always to consult a Vastu expert, because he will guide you properly.
But what I feel is it's better to be ignorant in these issues to have more peace of mind.
No.
What you can do is, what you can do is, I have got my own YouTube channel.
Okay.
I have got 10 episodes, and I will share the episodes with you all. That will also provide you a good information.
अच्छा, मेरा एक क्वेश्चन था कि ये अपना घर बनाते समय ही करना चाहिए कि कोई रेंटेड घर पे रह रहा है तो उसे भी देखना चाहिए, ये कि जब खुद का घर बनता है तभी करते हैं लोग ये कि रेंट?
You see what happens when you build your own house.
Of course, उसमें
First,
करते ही हैं लोग.
there are two things involved. There are two things involved. एक तो है भूमि पूजा, भूमि शुद्ध करने का, ठीक है ना? Another is, suppose you have bought a ready-made house. Let us say you have bought a ready-made house. Then you have to check your Vastu, whether all the directions are more or less okay or not. In fact, I say if it is 60 to 65% okay, then also it is okay. Because you cannot have a 100% Vastu compliant house these days. So even if it is 60 to 65%, it is okay. A rest can be rectified. Those minor rectifications can be done. So, and another thing is, Griha Pravesh is a very, very important, function. And there are 3 types of Griha Pravesh. And, one is a newly built house. Another one is taking on rent. Another one is, when you go out of the house for a long time and you have returned to the house after, let us say, 2-3 months or 6 months, you have gone to abroad, house was locked. Then when you have come back, then you need to do another Griha. These all these things have got a meaning.
Swati, heard now? Long time back, then Griha Pravesh again in Pune.
Every year I have to do it, it seems.
Okay, so Sagarika, you want to end by saying something?
Yeah, we could end certainly by saying that, I would like to thank each one of you for giving us the comments that you all have, the testimonials that you've given. It's really very, very overwhelming to hear all of them. Sabko पढ़ के बड़ा मजा आ गया, and that is very motivating for we trio. हम तीन जो है, it is very, very motivating for us कि हम ये मंच हम जारी रखेंगे, and we will also bring more singers. I'm in talks with singers, and also as Madhu said that we are looking out for journalists. I have people in mind. So we will, ये सब जो आपके जो testimonials है, we'll try and publish it on one of the pages. Could be a e-journal or maybe a journal on social media or something like that. We'll plan. I mean, there are people to do it. So वो भी करेंगे हम. And we are very happy that today there are many people who've joined. Thanks to Jyotsna ji. It was really wonderful. And I think we can just end with one small song. Jyotsna ji, आप छोटे से गाने से आप end कर दीजिए आज.
Okay.
है ना? And we look forward to seeing you all next Tuesday. We'll let you know what do we have next Tuesday. A lot of things happening, so we need to just plan. Madhu and Swati, there are a lot of things now.
अच्छा, next week आपका नेपाल का पिक्चर दिखाइए. नेपाल गए, पिक्चर दिखाइए, हम देखेंगे.
सही बात है. Award winning.
And what are the discussions going on there about that topic? You know, very burning topic.
I'll just take small. हाँ, ठीक है, वो मैं कर दूँगी. I will do that certainly. Then we'll get a young artist and speak to a young artist, young girl, but she's making it in the industry. So I'll speak to her if she's free. Get it.
And likewise, just like Mr. Ganguly, if anyone else also wants to share their talent or their learning in the group, so certainly that will be encouraged more than outside.
Absolutely. If somebody here wants to share, we are very happy to give everybody this
platform. Yeah. Japna aunty, think of something. You have a vast experience in teaching children. आपने बहुत साल छोटे बच्चों को पढ़ाया है, तो उसके बारे में अपना कुछ शेयर करिए. आपके एक्सपीरियंसेस, आप कितने. She was a pre-primary teacher who taught my husband also.
Okay.
Yes. Sound.
Sapna aunty, you're on mute. Yes.
So everybody, हम जिनको जानते हैं, नहीं जानते हैं, आप सबके टैलेंट के बारे में तो हमें पता नहीं है.
After that, high school teacher also was there.
Yeah.
Previously, Shishu Niketan, after that, high school.
So, share your experiences, everybody. Thank you so much. We'll see you next week.
Jyotsna ji, we'll end with your song.
Lipika ji, हाथ ऊपर कर रही थी. Lipika ji, आपको कुछ बोलना था? Where is she?
She's not there.
Okay, she was asking something.
Yeah, Jyotsna ji, शुरू हो जाइए.
चलते चलते.
ये गाना है रुक जा रात ठहर जा रे चलता, फिल्म तिलक मंदिर.
Choice of music.
आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ जी.
रुक जा रात ठहर जा रे चंदा, बीती न मिलन की पहला, आज चांद की नगरी में अरमानों का मेला. रुक जा रात ठहर जा रे चंदा, बीते न मिलन की बेला, आज चांदनी की नगरी में अरमानों का मेला. रुक जा रात ठहर जा रे चंदा. पहले मिलन की यादें लेकर आई है सुहानी, पहले मिलन की यादें लेकर आई है रात सुहानी, दोहराते फिर ये सितारे मेरी तुम्हारी प्रेम कहानी, मेरी तुम्हारी प्रेम कहानी। रुक रात ठहर जाए चंदा, बिना मिलन की बेला, आज चांदनी की नगरी में अरमानों का मेला। रुक जा रात ठहर जाए चंदा, कल का डरना कल की चिंता, दो तन है मन एक हमारे। कल का डरना कल की चिंता, दो तन है मन एक हमारे। जीवन सीमा के आगे भी आओगी मेरे संग तुम्हारे, आओगी मैं संग तुम्हारे। रुक जा रात ठहर जाए चंदा, बिना मिलन की बेला, आज चांदनी की नगरी में अरमानों का मेला। रुक जा रात ठहर जाए चंदा, बिना मिलन की बेला, आज चांदनी की नगरी में अरमानों का मेला। रुक जा रात ठहर जाए चंदा, रुक जा रात ठहर जाए चंदा। Thank you.
Thank you so much. We'll end on this
Very
note,
good, very
everybody.
good.
फिर से मिलते हैं अगले ट्यूसडे 6 से 7 बजे। थैंक यू सो मच एवरीबॉडी।
बहुत सुंदर, बहुत सुंदर।
बहुत सुंदर।
ब्यूटीफुल ब्यूटीफुल।
गाने बहुत अच्छे सिलेक्ट किए थे आपने।
Songs are very good.
चॉइस ऑफ सॉन्ग्स मैंने चैट में भी डाला। चॉइस ऑफ सॉन्ग्स अमेजिंग चॉइस ऑफ
Excellent choice of song.
Thank you everyone, thank you everyone.
Thank you सबको बहुत thank you.
बाय, गुड नाइट।
Couldn't hear you, Mr. Motwani.
I mean to say, I was saying that especially that ghazal from Farida Khanum, "आज जाने की जिद ना करो" was awesome.
Yes.
आपके वॉइस में भी एक दिन सुनेंगे वो गाना।
हाँ जरूर जरूर।
ओके,
Love this Marika song.
चलो
चलिए everyone, bye bye, good night.
गुड नाइट।
Bye everyone. Yes.
Night सबको।
Bye.
हो गया चलो।